Hey y'all, I know I look crazy, but I'm about to review my favorite curly hair clip-ins. Not really review it, but try different styles with it. And this is a new style for me. It's like the 2-part leave out. So I have a lot left out, kind of. Not really, my hair, yeah I do. I have the edges out in these 2 parts. The back is all the way braided up. But this is how my hair looks. I already put gel in it and stuff like that. I might add a little bit more, but that's the vibe. So these are the clip-ins. They're 20-inch 4A, I think. Hair texture. 4A, 4B. I know. It comes with 10 of them, I think, 12. Let's see, let me stop saying I think. I'm gonna tell y'all the way I order it too. But it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's like 2 of each for the most part. Let's see. Okay, so it comes with 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 3s, and 4 2-clip things. I'm about to wet them all because I like it when it's dry. This is what it looks like, fully drenched. I'm gonna get back to y'all. I re-wet all of them and I'm about to put my hair up because I look like old boy from the Lord. I don't like that at all. I'm gonna start, my first clip is gonna be a 3 and I'm gonna put it across the very back. That. You want to make sure it's secure. And I'm going to brush it one more time. Because when you brush it, it kind of makes sure it's secure. But this is the length. Okay. So now I'm going to take one of my 4s and go right on this bulky part. Y'all make sure you space it out pretty good.
Y'all, my camera, yeah, my phone had died, so basically I don't have the rest of the footage of me putting the clip-ins, but I will link the 2 videos I did with Betterlength before where I'm showing how I put them in.
These are the clip-ins dry. I got 20-inch 3A, 3B, and y'all just see how good it blends. And I have leave out on 2 sides and around the edges, but Betterlength is like, to me, I don't know, I might be biased, but Betterlength is like my favorite out of like all the clip-ins that I tried. It just hits every time. This is 20-inch. It literally touches my ass. Wait. It literally touches the ass. But I'm gonna just show y'all how I styled it. I'm kind of doing this not in reverse, but like as I was putting it in, y'all, my camera died. And literally this is real raw and uncut, and I leave these in for like literally like a month. I detangle them in my head because I don't have leave out in the middle. Not a month, but a few weeks. I'm not gonna take these out, put them back in. I'm gonna just link both the videos that I did before when we putting them in. I used all 10 clips, And this is how full it is. I don't have any leave out like in the middle or in the back. Like this is just all the clip-ins besides the little bit of leave out I have right here. And it's so thin. Like you see how thin the leave out is? Yeah. So, and on the edges it's about the same thing. I can separate it. See? It's combined together, but it's a really thin layer, y'all. This is just how full the hair is, and it's so beautiful. Like, y'all, this is fully dry too, like I said. And I'm just gonna show y'all the 2 hairstyles I normally do with these clip-ins because that's all I really need. So, of course, the middle part, which is how it is now. And like, it gets bigger over time, so it just looks more. I don't like to mess with the curls, especially when I want to keep it in for a long time to make it bigger because it's just gonna naturally do that. A little side part action. You can do the flip over method. I normally don't, but like the way I put them in, like you can still achieve doing multiple like parts and not seeing the tracks. A little side part action like this. I really love this. This is my go-to, honestly. I do this more than the middle part. Yeah. Little flip over, kind of side part action. I'm gonna see if I can do half up, half down or something. I don't really normally do it, but we can try it. The edges cover enough to where I can do it, so let's do it. And the shit that's glossy around my eyelids is Vaseline, because it looks kind of crazy now that I'm looking at it. Yeah. Alright, I got my hair tied. I can try a half up, half down too. I normally just do these styles with my hair. Like, natural with no pigment. Let's see how this goes. It's very flat. I do this hairstyle. I don't be smoothing out the base because I want to give like this color. This color. This is lopsided. I don't like that. Should we make a bun? You could do a Chun-Li bun on the side. That's a hair clip, y'all. But y'all see the track? It's still covered. Chun-Li bun. Bitch, I been on. Bitch, you been gone. Okay. And then, well, then what? I'm gonna try half of that down. You could like perfect the 2 pigtails to me, but I want to need this a lot more for that on this side. If I drag it down some. bigger after doing it. So hey, it'll be a very loose kind of version.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass in the picture. Drop a couple right, bitches ass get thicker. Tricking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money, why eat it like a...
But you could definitely wear a high top hat down too. Wait, so it's not so high. Look at that. Tracks covered, tracks covered. Very cute, very cute. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I'm gonna take this out and do the outro again, y'all. I'm sorry that my camera died, but I'm gonna link both the 2 videos I did before with the same company down below so y'all can see how I put them out. It's really simple. It's really simple. I can't make it up. I even have a chart in the description in the order that I put it in. It's always trying to do this shit. I ain't wrong. And then look, still good, still good. This shit really wet in my hair now. I can't make it up. Ooh, the back. Volume, I don't know. But key to this is minimal leave out, of course. Getting the right curl pattern for your hair. Normally, like when my hair was shorter, I used to get a tighter curl pattern. I think I used to get 3B. No. What? That's I got 3. Did I get 3? I don't think I did. Did I get 3B, 3A for real? Wait a second, y'all. Yeah, I did get 3A, 3B. I used to get 4A, 3C, or 3C, 3B. But I loosened up because, as y'all can see, my roots are tighter than the rest of my hair. So the rest of my hair matches the clip-ins. You see, like, this is my hair right here, and it matches perfectly with this towards the bottom. The roots is tighter though. That's my doing, but it just makes sense to match the ends of my hair, not the roots. Y'all can see how, like, tighter it is. Not that much, like, it still goes if you're not looking, because most people have different curl patterns. But yeah, just get the curl pattern that match the majority of your hair, if that makes sense. The hair side kind of messed the back up on this side. But bye, y'all. I can never, like, y'all, I wear glasses for like I'm blind in real life. Y'all see how the ring light is reflecting off of it? No. I don't like the way I look with glasses on. It's not my vibe, truthfully. But this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check the description down below. The hair will be linked down with a discount code. And y'all, like, this is beyond a review. Like, I'm telling you, I've been working with them for 3 years now, and they are the blueprint for clip-ins. Like, I'm telling you, I don't know if I ever got any clip-ins this full and they last this long and just mimics real hair texture, everything. The one that I did before this was very, 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 very close, but Betterlength has my heart, and it's specifically for black people with natural hair, and that's why it's so full. Like, you don't need to leave your hair out in between unless you want to, but it's really not a purpose to, like, use all of them. It's 10 of them,
and they give this big, full, luscious look. That's it for my TED Talk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.